Me waiting for a forehead kiss. Me staring at my cute GF wondering how lucky I am. Me looking at the pictures of the love of my life. When you sleep with your man and he turn around, hug you in sleep. Me, what size fry do you want? She, just a small. Me. Me when I am done being annoying and ready for my man to make me happy. Told my crush that I love her. She replied she loves me too. When you throw random mood swings but he handling it well. No matter how much time you spend with her, this how you girl when you about to leave. My girl feels my sweater. Know what it's made of, boyfriend material. What's your favorite position in bed? Near the wall so I can use my phone while charging.
What?
When you marry an old man for money but you die first.
No!
When you see him scrolling through newsfeed and pause on a girl's photo. When he starts kissing your neck before Netflix even loads. Someone said when a short person wave at you, it's called microwave. Women when guys with no beard and no tattoo hit on them. Me preparing for the best day of my life. She on random day. I am in a long-distance relationship, cause my boyfriend lives in future. When he breaks up with you. Hey girl, is your name Google? Cause you got everything I am searching for.
No.
Hey, I just met you and this is crazy. But here's my house key. Move in, maybe. I am interested in having a girlfriend. But can I be a trustable boyfriend? Me waiting for my boyfriend to kiss me, after just kissing me. When you finally become comfortable around him. The moment you see your ex with a downgrade. When she leaves your message seen. Kissing burns 6.4 calories per minute. Wanna work out? Talking about her new crush. When she just wants your attention.
Oh my God!
When she catches her crush flirting with other girl. Hey girl, my doctor says, I am lacking vitamin U. Waving at the girl who's waving at her friend standing behind me.